touching tribute was unveiled at Georgia Southern University, honoring the memory of a beloved bald eagle mascot named Freedom. This majestic bird, who passed away on March 29th, left an indelible mark on the university community. Freedom's story began in 2004, when he was found injured and unable to return to the wild. His presence at Georgia Southern brought joy and inspiration to all who encountered him. The statue, unveiled on Friday afternoon, is a lasting reminder of Freedom's legacy. It will stand proudly in front of Paulson Stadium alongside the statue of Erk Russell. The project, a collaborative effort led by Steve Hein, Executive Director of the Center for Wildlife Education, aimed to immortalize Freedom's impact on the university and the community at large. Hein's dedication to Freedom extended beyond his role as a mascot. He brought Freedom to local schools and events, allowing the community to connect with this iconic raptor. At Friday's ceremony, David Ball shared the story of how Hein first envisioned having an eagle as part of Georgia Southern's tradition. It was a vision that came to life, and Freedom's arrival in 2004 was a momentous occasion. Hein's commitment to Freedom was evident in the way he engaged with fans after each home game. He stayed on the field until the last person had their photo taken with Freedom, ensuring that everyone had a chance to connect with this special bird. One such story, shared at the ceremony, highlighted Freedom's impact on a woman from Honduras who aspired to become a US citizen. Freedom's presence touched her deeply, and it was a powerful reminder of the eagle's ability to unite and inspire. The statue's restoration and construction were managed by the Betty Foy Sanders Department of Art, with landscaping completed by the Division of Facilities Planning, Design Construction, and Dabbs Williams General Contractors. This collaborative effort ensures that Freedom's memory will endure. Freedom's impact went beyond his physical presence. He brought people together, made them smile, and reminded everyone of the unique traditions and spirit of Georgia Southern. Steve Hein's care and dedication allowed Freedom to thrive and leave an everlasting impression on the university community. But here's where it gets interesting. Freedom's story is a testament to the power of connection and the impact one bird can have on a community. It's a reminder that even in the wildest of circumstances, there's always room for inspiration and unity. What do you think? Does Freedom's legacy inspire you? Share your thoughts in the comments.